Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the TI-89 and confirming batteries and contrast so nothing interrupts work. Next, set mode immediately. Choose normal display and the correct angle unit. This affects every trig result. Once done, clear old variables to avoid name conflicts and unwanted memory use. Make sure to check RAM and free up space if prompts appear, then return to the home screen so you're ready to enter expressions without legacy data interfering. You now enter the main calculation using the keypad and diamond for shifted keys. This gives access to inverse trig, pi, and engineering symbols. As you type, watch parentheses balance and confirm mode matches expected units, because mismatches silently change answers. Once expressions are entered, press enter and inspect the result. If you need precision, change display to full or increase floating digits. Make sure to save long formulas to a variable so you won't retype them later. You finish by saving final results to variables and, if needed, encapsulating steps into a simple program for repeat use. This prevents manual replication errors. Once saved, transfer important programs or archives to a PC for backup so you won't lose work. If the calculator throws syntax or domain errors, check mode first and confirm parentheses and function domains. If behavior persists, replace batteries or perform a soft reset before clearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.